Hello everyone, welcome to the Junbpaw channel. Today we are introducing our brand new inverter, the LG4080S. This is a model that many of our fans have been eagerly awaiting, and its maximum output power can reach 4000 watt. In today's video, we will conduct a real-world test to show you how it performs in terms of conversion efficiency and load capacity. First, let me introduce the test equipment we'll be using today: a dedicated load bank, two 200 ampere hour 12.8 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries, a clamp meter and a multimeter. The screen you see here is the inverter's built-in display, and next to it is the screen of the load bank. Let's turn it on and start the test. We will first increase the AC output load to 4000 watt to see if this inverter can handle it steadily. Alright, great. The output power is now close to 4000 watt. It successfully handles the load, no problem. Next, let's calculate its conversion efficiency. To calculate efficiency, we first need the input power on the DC side, which requires the use of the multimeter and the clamp meter. Here are our measurements. Input voltage, 12.5 volt. Input current, 348 ampere. At a high power close to 4000 watt, the efficiency reaches 88.5%. Does it meet your expectations? Next, let's test the efficiency under a half-load condition, which means an output power of around 2000 watt. Alright, turning it back on and adjusting the load to 2000 watt, we calculate the input power using the same method. Input voltage, 12.8 volt. Input current, 161 amperes. Current output power, 1960 watt. At 2000 watt output, the efficiency is surprisingly high at 95.14%. This result truly exceeded our expectations. So, we have just compared the efficiency performance of this inverter under 4000 watt and 2000 watt loads. Next, let's examine its continuous load capacity. We will again increase the power to 4000 watt and let it run continuously for half an hour to see if it experiences frequency reduction, overheating or shutdown. It is now 4:36 p.m. We'll reconvene in half an hour. Okay, we'll come back in half an hour. See you soon. Welcome back. It is now 5:06 p.m. As we can see, the unit is still running steadily. with no significant changes in various parameters. The input voltage has dropped slightly, but the overall performance is very stable. Let's also touch the casing. The temperature is well controlled, with almost no noticeable heat. Alright, that concludes our entire hands-on test of the LG 4080S inverter. If you enjoyed this type of practical testing content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In the next video, I will demonstrate the ATS function of this machine. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.